ahead and get started. Well, good morning, and thank you for spending some of your time with me this morning. So again, I am Loren Cunningham, and this is Motivation Monday. So let's go ahead and get started. So welcome. Today is March the 23rd, 2020, and our quote for the day is, "You can't build a reputation on what you are going to do," and that is by Henry Ford. So we're going to go through the tip of the week, and then my favorite portion of today's Motivation Monday is the sales shout outs. And then today's topic of discussion is going to be growing your pipeline. Some also refer to it as building your pipeline. So, tip of the week. National General's reduced financial burdens. This is most important. As part of the effort regarding the COVID-19 diagnostic testing, National General will waive all member cost sharing for the COVID-19 diagnostic testing and related services, included the associated office fee, emergency room, or the urgent care charges. The waiver applies to any out-of-pocket costs, including the deductibles, the co-pays, co-insurance for the diagnostic testing related to the COVID-19. And then we're going to be waiving all prior authorization requirements as they are related to the COVID-19 diagnostic testing. And then also we're going to allow early refills up to 90-day supply for members' prescription drugs in the event of a hardship related to the COVID-19. Sales leaders and kudos, again, this is my favorite part of the morning. So for the week of March the 16th, 2020, the short-term medical is NatGen is the leader. Limit Med is the golden rule. Accident is the National General. Critical illness is National General. And then dental, again. So our week of March the 16th, 2020, the names for the major shout outs for the kudos here is going to be under the short-term medical is William Cox, Katia Santa Maria, and Evan Tunis. You guys did a great job. Continue it. You're doing wonderful. And then under the limited med, we have Aaron Ellison and Jacob Jordan. Again, great job, guys. Loving it. You're killing it. You're doing a great job. And then, of course, we have under the accident, we have William Cox and Kimberly. Now, you guys are doing so great. Please keep a positive mind and keep pushing forward. And you're doing such a wonderful job. So let's talk about growing your pipeline. Some people, again, refer to it as, building your pipeline. So now, please note, providing a solution, not a policy. Not every time you talk to someone, you're going to close a policy. People hate sales pitches and scare tactics. Prospects do not want to be fed lines about the insurance policies that they need or should be getting to protect their assets. Remember, people want solutions for their unique their problems. Not everyone is the same. So help your customers see that the policies that you are offering them will help solve their particular solutions that they haven't likely or even had a policy for. You must convey to your prospect a sense of value for their peace of mind. not all people think that it's necessary to have their assets insured. In our particular case, their health. So we must sell them the right plan that works for their particular situation. No product of the month sales pitches. I myself am not one that really cares for the product of the month sales pitch because not everybody's cookie cutter. Not everyone's situation is the same. So again, convey to your prospects a sense of value. Now, remember in prior Motivation Mondays, I've said that by building a relationship with that person and educating them on what you can provide for them and take care of their needs, so they're not worrying about their medications, for example, under the right policies. Setting realistic goals. Setting realistic goals, don't overbook your appointments. When I started out in the industry back in 97, I would have 12 to 14 appointments a week. When I first started out, I wasn't accounting for, oh, well, what if I ran over? Or what if there was traffic on the roads? Less is more. Make sure that you take the time to set the goals that are going to be realistic for you. Techniques should support, again, attaining a realistic goal. Don't be afraid to set interim goals so you can build for the future. Now, it's harder to be realistic when you're setting an interim goal so you can build that confidence. You don't want to promise your insureds, okay, I'll be there at 3 o'clock, and then 3:30 rolls around and you're calling them and you're telling them, oh, whoops, my last appointment. Now, in some cases, that is unavoidable. But if you're spacing your time out correctly, you should, and again, this goes back to the goals, set everything out. Surround yourself with success. Network on a regular basis. It's important for you to seek out successful colleagues as a mentor, someone that can help you and guide you, give you pointers, or just someone that you need to, hey, have you ever had this situation where you ran late and you couldn't get that prospect on the phone? How did you handle it? Attend meetings, trade shows, conferences. Get your face out there. Like-minded people are going to seek out, again, like-minded people. Don't be afraid, again, to set the incumbent goal so that you can build your confidence. So again, seek out, and this is my personal opinion, seek out a successful colleague so then they can help you and steer you and guide you on. But remember, what works for them doesn't always work for you. But it's good to have someone else to fall back on and kind of bend their ear and get their feedback. It is key to talk less, but listen more. It is essential that you allow your prospects to lead the discussions. Have you ever been in a sales pitch where the person just went on and on and on, and you were not engaging because you were just not having it, not needing it, and you were kind of bored? That's the worst thing you can do. So just kind of sit back, and while you're sitting back, take mental. Remember to ask questions about their family, their lifestyle, their goals. Now, why are you asking questions about their family or even their lifestyle and goals? By taking this information, you can apply it to future sales based on their family lifestyle, their needs, their goals. Take time to understand their needs and concerns. You're not necessarily there just to push a policy. Again, remember, some insurance companies have policies that they want you to push. You're trying to build relationships. And when you're building relationships, other people are going to encourage their friends to use you, and you've built that relationship. So guys, if you have any questions, concerns, please email training@ahcpsales.com, or you can call the agency services number at 877-228-8773. Again, guys, thank you so much for spending some of your time with me. I greatly appreciate it. I hope everyone is safe and well, and we'll catch you on the next one. Have a good day, guys. Bye.